Bangalore, we are expecting it to go forward. We take two steps forward and 10 steps backward. ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಒಂದು ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡು ಆಟೋಸ್. Earlier they were scared of cops. Now anyway they go on Brigade Road very, after some 50 years I think in Bangalore, they go on Brigade Road. Open the cops also turn a blind eye. The latest thing now is they are supposed to take maximum what? 2 or 3 passengers. Cop take you see anyway, you Church Street, MC Road side, in front of the cops only they go. There are one person which is the driver, 4 people behind. ಇದು ಆಟೋ ಇರೋದು 3 ಚಕ್ರ. ಅವ್ನು ಬಿಡಿ ಆ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟ್ರು, ಅವ್ನು ದುಡ್ಡು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅವನು. ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಟಾಪಲ್ಲಾಗಿ ಬಿದ್ದರೆ ಈ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋನ್ ಹರ್ಟ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆನ್ ದ ರೋಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಇದೊಂಥರ ಹೊಸ ಟ್ರೆಂಡು. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಒನ್ ಗೈ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇಟ್. ನಾವು ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಮನಿ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಇಸ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಟಾಪಲ್ ಬಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್, ವಾಟ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್? ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಗೋನ್ ಡೈ. Cops also, they least bother. ಇದು ಪಾಪ you can't blame them also. They stand in the hot sun and they're hardly there on the road nowadays. They become like sparrows. Now they become extreme. Bangalore, when traffic cops have disappeared, there will be one guy sitting on the booth. That's it, traffic booth, and he will be controlling the traffic. That's also automated. Only there's an emergency, has to press some button. ಅವರು ಒಂಥರ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಖುಷಿಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಟೋ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ಸು ಹೊಸ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ 6 passengers, 5 passengers. One guy sitting as a driver. Then I saw some 4 5 heavy guys are sitting. Mostly they fell, I think, on the way. Anyway, if you observe, report it.